Welcome to Venu Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter G. G is the seventh letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter G in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase G. Start with the top and go all the way around in the middle. Then make a line across and make a line down. Now you try. Here is a letter G in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase g. Start in the middle and go all the way around. Next, go back up to the middle and then go down and around to the bottom. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter G? G is for garage. G is for garbage truck. G is for garbage. G is for garden. G is for garlic. G is for gas stove. G is for gas. G is for gate. G is for gecko. G is for gem. G is for geek. G is for ghost. G is for gift. G is for ginger. G is for giraffe. G is for girl. G is for glass. G is for globe. G is for gloves. G is for glue. G is for goat. G is for God. G is for gold. G is for goldfish. G is for golf. G is for goose. G is for gooseberry. G is for gorilla. G is for grandfather. G is for grandmother. G is for grapes. G is for graph. G is for grass. G is for grasshopper. G is for green. G is for gray. G is for grinder. G is for guava. G is for guitar. G is for gun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your Venu.